Hello guys. I'm sorry for the break. I'm back now. And today we'll be doing a group anagrams. It's a medium problem. And we're going to be using a dictionary or a hash map to count the number of occurrences of each character in a string. And we just group that up. So first we make a dictionary, default dictionary list. And this just ensures that if our dictionary doesn't have a key, it's automatically created with I think with the empty list. And once we done that, we need to go through each string. Then we need a list for with the size of 26 for what's called for the letters A to Z. Then we just count it using for C and for every character for C and string. We get the number of occurrences using this formula. Or I think it like gets the ASCII value like this. Then if it already exists, we increment it by 1. Now we just get the so our count will be our key, and the words or the string will be our value. So it will group them up with the words with the same amount of occurrences will be the values. That's how they group them up. Then we just append that. Also, I think we need to turn this into a tuple because I think it's mutable, so it can change. And apparently you don't want that. Tuples dot append each string that are the same. Then we just return the values. Right? What's it called? It has to. Apparently you can't return the values of our dictionary, so you have to turn it into a list. So it'll be like res dot values like this. Yep. There you go.